friends, Crafty Queen Bee here. I just wanted to share with you some of the neat things that I found while I was shopping at Hobby Lobby, Dollar General, and Walmart. It wasn't enough from each group, or each store rather, to be making a big haul video. However, I did want to share with you what I found, and these are some really neat items, and maybe you'll want to look out for them. The first thing I found at Hobby Lobby that I fell in love with was this this little tier tray. It's got a heart at the top, and I probably paid too much for it. It's $39.99, but I used my 40% off coupon, and sometimes I splurge and I just don't care. If I want it, I want it. But I just thought these little jars were too cute and I needed them to go in there. These are cute little candy jars, and they were $3.99 each, and they have them in 3 colors: the pink, the red, and the white. I thought those were really cute. All right, another thing that I found there that I fell in love with was this little red truck. It is so cute. You can fill it up with anything in the back. It's got the opening. And this little red truck was a little bit more than I wanted to pay for it, but it was $7.99, and I did use my coupon because I went a couple of days in the store to shop. Another thing I found was this little rolling pin. They have them in 3 different styles. One is in cream color and it says XOXO, and then the other one says, I can't remember, but there's another one that's in pink also. And this one was $3.99. And I thought that was a perfect little accent for my tray. All right. Friends, I'm not too crazy about these little guys. Everybody's going crazy over them, but I could not resist this little gnome. He's so stinking cute. Look at him. Isn't he too cute? He's got a big old kiss on his nose. How cute is that? It was a must. I had to have him. And he was $7.99. They had them in different styles, but I thought this was the cutest one because he was the only one that had a kiss on the nose. Another thing I found in there was this little cupcake picks. These little picks will look cute on my real cupcakes and also on my fake cupcakes. They have the buffalo check with the pink and red hearts. They are really, really cute. Okay, the next thing I found in there was this buffalo check wrapping paper with the hearts in red and pink, and I just thought I could use this for so many different projects. One of the things that I was thinking about was cutting it and using it for a table runner to match the theme of my Valentine's Day. Also, I used some of it to cover up this box. Can we turn the camera over here? This box that I put this tree in that I'm gonna decorate for Valentine's Day. And see how pretty it looks? It just made a big difference. And I think this was $7.99, but this I got on sale as well. Okay, and I found some matching ribbon. The buffalo check with the glittered red hearts. And this was $4.99. And I splurged a little bit, but I hadn't been in there in quite a while, so I didn't feel so bad. And the main thing I went in there to get, I almost forgot, which was my Valentine wreath that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use the deco mesh, and I'm probably going to use a cute little Valentine truck to decorate it with. You'll be seeing this in one of the videos. All right, that was all my finds that I couldn't live without from Hobby Lobby. Next, I went to Dollar General. That's the one with the yellow sign. And I got some good buys there, I thought. I found these cute little pom-poms, decorative garland. They were only $1. I thought these would make cute little fillers. Maybe I'll use them in that little Valentine tree. I don't know, but I just couldn't pass them up. They were just too cute for $1. All right, the next thing I found there was a little sign that says love never fails. And I think I'm gonna decorate this with a little bow, and maybe I'll just put it in my little tier tray here. Oh, how cute is that? All right, next, look at this sign, friends, and it was only $2.50, and I'm kind of using the buffalo check color and theme for my kitchen, and I just thought this was a bargain for $2.50. It says, love you to the moon and back. Then I found these cute little mugs. This one has little Valentine hearts on it. It was $1.25. It comes with candy. I'll probably take the candy out, and I'm gonna do something creative with these. I'll show you later. This one was too cute. It says, be mine. $1.25, and it comes with candy. I couldn't pass those two up. Then I found this little container, and I just thought it was so cute, and I'm gonna put it in my kitchen. And it's a little can, plastic, with a lid, and I'm probably gonna put either some kind of treats in there. But it's got the buffalo check, and it's got the love, and it's real sturdy. So I thought that was a good buy for $2. I also found, which I don't need these because I have a gazillion of them, but I don't think I have a party hat. I found some cookie cutters. There's a cupcake, a party hat one, and a present. And I had to have those, and I think they were, I might have paid $1 for them. They were very inexpensive. I did not know that they had a baking section. I discovered that, and they have a lot of neat stuff. I found this, it's made out of rubber, this mold, this little heart mold, and I'm planning to use it not to make candy with, but to use it to make some fake little Valentine candy. It's perfect. And I think this was only like, might have been $2 or $3, I don't remember. And I had been looking all over for an ice cream scoop, and supposedly it's out of season, but I found one. I found a big one there at Dollar General. It's got a big scoop because I'm gonna be making some fake ice cream cups. And I didn't want to use my real one because after you use it on crafts, it's not recommended that you use it for food. Okay, now I also found this cute little container, this little canister. It says, be happy. How cute is that? I'll probably decorate the top of it. And this was only $3. I kind of went a little wild in there because I hadn't been in there in a while. I hadn't been anywhere in a while, but I thought this was real cute and I couldn't pass it up. It'll be a cute addition to the kitchen counter during the spring. All right, let's see, what else did I buy? I found some ribbon, and this burlap ribbon, sometimes it's hard to come by, so I went ahead and picked it up because it was only $1. And while I was there, I went through their Christmas clearance section, and guess what I found? I found these deco mesh rolls for $2. They still have them at most Dollar General stores, I was told, in our area. Those are bargain, $2. Then I also got this for $1.50, this decorative ribbon, and it's kind of, looks like burlap in a way, but I mean, it's real light with little bitty gold dots. This will be so cute on a wreath. I thought I scored on that. And then I saw these little succulent plants. Aren't they too cute? and they were only $1. All right, folks, that's what I found at Dollar General, and I thought I had done really good. Let me move all this aside, and then I'll show you a few things that I got at Walmart. Okay, Walmart has these cute little heart plates. They have them in the red, and they also have them in the white. And then they have the matching mugs. So I went ahead and got 2 plates and 2 mugs just for decoration. They are too cute. Friends, how cute is that? All right. And I think those were, I paid a little too much for them, but like I said, I was on a roll splurging. They were $3.95 a piece. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I paid that much for them, but I did. Okay, the next thing I found that I will be using on the reef, I think, was this cute little red truck. I love you. And this was only $7.48, and I thought that would be perfect to go in my reef once I get it decorated. And friends, I will be showing you how to make some fake cake pops like these. And some of the items that you're gonna need are these little craft foam balls. These are 1.5 inch balls. You can get them at Hobby Lobby. You can get them at the dollar store, Dollar Tree. I just happened to not find them except at Walmart when I was out yesterday. Then here are the sticks. I found these at Walmart and they were on clearance for 99 cents. Okay, oh, I forgot about this cute little sign. I just had to have this. You make me smile. You make my smile. You make my smile. How cute is that? Doesn't sound right, but anyway. Good God, I just realized what the sign says. You make my heart smile. Oh my gosh, I just realized that. Oh, then I'm on a roll making those fake cupcakes, and I like to decorate real cupcakes. And they had all their tips on for 99 cents and $1.50, I believe. Those were a bargain. So I'll be playing with all of this. For 99 cents and $1.50, friends, I couldn't pass it up. I just wanted to mention, this is the one, the number 1M, and they had a ton of these in my area, Walmart. This is the one I use to decorate the cupcakes. So if you get a chance and you want to decorate fake cupcakes, get you one of these. All right, the next thing I picked up was E6000. I couldn't find it anywhere except Walmart, so Hobby Lobby only had the big bottle, so I picked it up there. Friends, that's about it. I just wanted to share all of this with you. I hadn't been out shopping a lot lately, but I did have to go into town 2 times this week, so I was so excited about my buys, and I just wanted to share it with you. Hope you enjoy it. Meanwhile, friends, stay safe, all right? Bye. See you next time.